Hey lipstick gang, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another Patreon exclusive courtesy of Luscious Pout, also known as Juan. Thank you, Juan. She wanted me to do some fall colors and she wanted me to surprise you guys. The first color is like this deep red color. The second color is this deep magenta with blue undertones. It kind of has like bluish purple undertones. And both of these colors came out so beautiful and I could not wait to share with you guys. Both of these are in my Moisture Matte. It's like a velvety matte texture, and I'm going to jump right into this video. So first things first, I'm going to be starting off with my Very Veelo Beauty lipstick base. I'm going to do that deep magenta first, and I'm going to be going in with some titanium dioxide. Of course, the full recipe to this video will be available on my Patreon. For a small pledge of $5 per month, you'll have access to all of my archive recipes, this recipe, and all of my future recipes. This video that you're watching was originally a Patreon exclusive, but I decided to share it with my YouTube audience due to the beautiful fall colors. I'm mixing in that white first with my rubber spatula and then with my hand mixer. And next I'm going in with the main star of the show, which is the red 27 Alum Lake. You guys, I just want to reiterate that you always wear a mask when you're working with these powders as they get in the air, and I don't want you guys to breathe them in as they can be toxic. So make sure that you're always wearing a mask. But yes, I'm just working that pink into the base. If you ever come to a place where you feel like it's too hard, you can also always add a little more base just to get things moving. I'm going in with some FD&C Blue 1 Alum Lake to get that purple deep undertone. And for some reason, it is showing up true in the bowl than it was on my lips. But anyway, that purple, as you can see, once we added that blue to the lipstick, it really brought this beautiful fall purplish magenta color. And then of course I went in with my Kaolin Clay to make our lipstick matte, and I'm just working it in. And now it's time to correct the texture to take it from a paste to a cream, and I'm going in with some Isododecane Remix. This can be found on my website at veryveelobeauty.com, and then I'm going in with my hand mixer just to incorporate everything evenly. Now it's time to prepare and fill up our syringe, and after doing so, you want to clip a pipette. I have plenty of examples in my other videos on how I clip my pipettes in order for it to fit the smaller syringe. So be sure to check those out, and then I'm just going to leave a little allowance space and then add the stopper and the wand. And now we're on to this beautiful deep fall red. I'm going to be starting with the Very Veelo Beauty lipstick base. You can grab that from my website. And next we're going in with some titanium dioxide. I'm going to be mixing that in with my rubber spatula and then following right behind with my hand mixer. Now this color calls for red and pink, so I'm going to be going in with some red number 40 Alum Lake, and then I'm going to be going in with some pink red 27 Alum Lake as well. And again, you want to make sure you're wearing a mask, and I'm just mixing that in really, really well, working it in until everything is combined. Now it's time to deepen and darken this color, so I'm going in with some black oxide. The thing with black oxide is a little goes a long way. So that with that little bit that I put in the bowl, you're going to see this color change pretty drastic. But if you would prefer your reds to be darker than this, then you could repeat that step one more time. So you'll be basically doubling the measurement that's on the PDF if you want your red to appear darker. But yes, this is how it came out. It came out absolutely gorgeous. Love the way that came out. And I think I'm going to make a darker red, by the way, for the fall. I definitely want to make a darker red, just so that we can see an example. And then I'm going to compare the two side by side. But yes, here we are. I got some Kaolin Clay because this is a matte, so I'm going to work that clay into the matte lips. I'm sorry, work that clay into the finished product. And then I'm going to be going in with a little more base because as you can see, I was struggling a little bit. So I'm just going to be taking like a little bit, just a little bit, that much. And I'm going to add that to my bowl. And it's going to make a major difference when it comes to mixing this clay into the base and making it a little easier for me right before I get ready to add in my Isododecane remix. That's what you want. Nice paste consistency. And just like that, we are done. We have created two beautiful fall colors. You guys, let me know if you try these out and let me know how they come out. Until next time, I love you guys. Stay blessed.